How do you troubleshoot Moodle integration errors? If you are facing issues with Moodle integration, you are not alone. Many educators encounter errors while trying to connect Moodle with other platforms. Let's break down some practical steps to resolve these issues effectively. First, check your basic configuration settings. Ensure that the Moodle instance URL is correct and accessible. This is the starting point for any integration. Also, verify that any tokens used for authentication were generated by a Moodle site administrator and are free from typos. Next, if you notice that course synchronization is not working or courses are not appearing after a refresh, it's time to double-check token permissions. Ensure that the user roles in Moodle align with what the integration tool expects. Custom student roles may not sync properly, so it's best to use standard roles whenever possible. Keep an eye out for error messages. For example, if you see student email already in use, this indicates duplicate accounts with the same email across different databases. This can also happen if admin accounts conflict with student emails. When syncing course sections, remember that Moodle groups correspond to sections in some integrations. You will need group identifiers to sync correctly. Reviewing error reports or sync history logs can help you identify specific issues. If you are trying to push grades from Moodle to another platform, ensure that the course has been synced first. Check that the application programming interface credentials have the necessary permissions, ideally from a top-level administrator. Also, confirm that student identifiers match between the systems. For instance, if emails are used as identifiers, ensure that symbols like @ are not stripped, as this can cause mismatches. For plugin-specific issues, such as those with Turnitin or Microsoft 365 Learning Tools interoperability integrations, utilize built-in test connection features. These tools can confirm whether Moodle is communicating properly with the external service. Make sure to check plugin settings, update to the latest versions, and verify that application registrations and redirect uniform resource identifiers are configured correctly. If you encounter errors related to JavaScript or loading issues, it may be necessary to check your browser settings and ensure compatibility with the Moodle version you are using. In general, consulting error logs and reports generated by Moodle or the integration tool can help pinpoint problems. Resetting or unlinking user accounts may resolve account linkage issues. If you face server errors or unexplained failures, reviewing server logs is essential. Make sure both the Moodle server and connected services are operational. Practical steps for educators and administrators include double-checking URL, tokens, and permissions before syncing. Use standard Moodle roles to avoid problems with unsupported custom roles. Carefully match student identifiers between Moodle and external platforms. Utilize test connection tools provided by plugins to verify integration health. Review error messages and logs promptly to address specific problems. Keep Moodle and integration plugins updated to ensure compatibility. By following these systematic checks and using available diagnostic tools, you can resolve most Moodle integration errors and maintain smooth operation of your educational technology platforms.